Okay, so this is just a lazy eye tutorial. So just use this whenever. Yeah, I'm gonna speed this up a bit. First, make an OC or something. Yeah, now go to Ibis Paint X. Okay, spoiler. Anyways, now go in. Now go import your picture that you took of your OC and follow what I do here. Add another layer and put it in normal. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Okay, so first go to the color. Okay, now go to triple and just do what I do here. Now go to the blur brush and just blur. Yeah, it's a bit laggy. Okay, now lower your capacity to 62 or 61. Now put the colored stuff to add. Then pick any color from the eye and start coloring like that kind of shape and just follow what I do here. Now blur it. Lower the capacity. This part is optional, so I'm just messing around here. Don't do this. I was clueless. I'm speeding this part. Okay, now just do what I do here if you want to. Lashes, because yes. Now the mouth is also optional to do, but if you want to, then just follow this. I don't know how to draw noses, so now it is the eyebrow. So yeah, I use a custom brush that I made, so I'm gonna put the QR code at the end of the Also, some of these brushes are from Dinosaur. If you are too lazy to screenshot or just watch from the end of the video, just copy my settings for eyebrow. If you put the OZ that have like the hair color, I recommend to use the outline of the hair color because it looks better in my opinion. Now watch me struggle to do eyebrows. Right now I'm doing the blush, so follow this if you want to. Right here I'm trying to use Dinosaur's brushes. Or just use a different brush like I do here. Speeding this up for you guys. Okay, and there you have it. Yeah, this is the art tutorial. Okay, so here's the QR code. Bye.